Hello and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning Tutorial with Syed. In this brief episode, I'll show you how to remove duplicates in Excel. To follow along with me, please click on the link in the video description to make a working copy of this workbook. On this workbook, I have two sheets. See It is where I will demonstrate and Do It sheet is where you can practice. Let's go to the See It sheet and see how to remove duplicates in Excel using quick technique. Here in the column A, I have around 10,000 records and they are department names. They are repeated several times. Same is the case with the column B where the country names are repeated several times. So what I would do here is I will select the column A first by clicking on the column label. Then go into the data tab. Then click on remove duplicates. Then I select continue with my current selection and then click on remove duplicates. When I do that, I have this confirmation box. I will click OK here. This will remove all the duplicate values and list only the unique values. It gives out this summary that there were 9,988 duplicate values that were removed and 12 unique values remain. So this is how we remove the duplicates from Excel. Now let us try that one more time in the column B. I'll click on the column B label, go into the data tab, and from there click on remove duplicates. Select continue with the current selection, click remove duplicates and click OK one more time. Done. I am done removing 9,970 duplicate values and 30 unique values remain there. Click OK. This was a quick video about how to remove duplicates in Excel. I request you to go into the Do It sheet and practice. Practice as much as you can. The more you practice, the more you will remember. In the next episode, we will explore more dimensions of Excel. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and click on that little bell icon to enable notifications. Thank you and have a very lovely day. See you soon.